Are you tired of WhatsApp cluttering your phone's gallery with automatic media downloads? In this video, we'll show you how to disable automatic media downloads in WhatsApp, giving you more control over your device's storage. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue faced by WhatsApp users, automatic media downloads. Let's jump right in and take control of our media downloads. First, open WhatsApp on your device and head over to the settings menu by tapping on the three dots in the top right corner. Next, navigate to Settings, then Storage and Data. Here, you'll find options to manage your media settings. Now, locate Media Auto Download. Here, you'll see options for when media is downloaded using mobile data, Wi-Fi, and roaming. You can choose to disable automatic downloads for photos, audio, videos, and documents by unchecking the corresponding boxes for each connection type. Once you've made your selections, simply exit the settings menu. Congratulations, you've successfully disabled automatic media downloads in WhatsApp. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can take back control of your phone's storage and avoid cluttering your gallery with unnecessary media files. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Remember to stay tuned for more useful content. Until next time, take care.